Hello everyone, I am Mantra Chirag, student of International Mantra. Today we have here Jagdeep Singh, who is, very good English speaker. So I would like to ask him from his experiences. So Jagdeep sir, first of all, can you introduce yourself? About your name, where you live, and what you
My
are
name
doing?
is Jagdeep Singh and I live in Hanumangarh,
Okay,
and I just have completed my graduation in mathematics, physics and computer applications, and further I am just
okay.
preparing for government examinations, completed
That's
with
great.
examinations.
That's great. There is a lot of competition, so we have to prepare. And
Yeah.
you have, you might not know, but you are more than above the 99% of the people. Most of the people today don't know how to speak in English, but you already know, and your accent is also good. So that's an advantage you are carrying with. So I would ask you about what place do you like most in this Hanumangarh town?
What places I like?
Yeah.
Uh, there are no such great places in this city,
Okay.
but personally I would say Central Park that has been recently established, and there's fort which is considered as one of the most ancient forts in India,
Patni.
and yeah, Patna Fort,
Yes.
and there is Gurudwara,
Okay.
Baba Mehtab Singh Gurudwara, very famous place, and has very kind of uh, valorous and glorious history. These are the places I like most.
So, if you have to, like go somewhere, so your favorite place, where you want to go?
Or in more direct way, if someone approaches me to take him to a kind of
Like
place
someone pays you, go anywhere, I'll pay you. So, where you want to go?
in the city,
Anywhere in the world,
okay,
in
in
the
the world,
India, in the
I would
world.
definitely like to travel in Europe. Like in New Zealand would be my first priority,
Okay.
and then I would go Iceland because I like really the European culture, very kind of open, and
Okay.
that's I
So,
like.
just culture only. That's the reason why you are going to Europe.
I would definitely like to explore a kind of more of how people engage in their daily life routines.
Okay. You just want to see the white people.
No, 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 no,
Definitely
no,
to
no, no,
cut the story
no.
short.
It's not like that. It's not the skin.
Okay, okay.
It's not the experience. Because
Okay,
if you explore something outside, it
okay,
can actually reflect your inner self as well. The inside that
okay,
matters for me
okay.
personally.
That's great, that's great. So, could you tell me about your favorite subject?
Subject like academic
Yes,
sense.
academically, because if I tell mine,
I
mine is maths, I think. Definitely.
um, when it comes to studies, I have always been a kind of fond, or my favorite subject has been physics,
Okay, physics,
because I
that's
have always liked to explore how things work
yes, yes.
on the fundamental basis in nature, mechanics, thermodynamics, whatever it takes. Physics is just great.
Yes. Physics
I
is,
just like it.
like real life
Yep,
application,
yeah.
Mathematics is just the language of physics, but physics is real life application. So it was nice talking with you, gentlemen. I got to know many things about you, and you are a great personality. From heart, I would say you are a great personality. And you
Thank
would
you so much.
thank you
I
very
really
much for your
appreciate that.
time.
I
Have a
really
great
appreciate
day.
it. Thank you so much.